Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu, and now from here go through the settings, and after that just simply go ahead and go to update and security down below over here. And now you could just simply go ahead and select check for updates over here, and from there you should be able to update the Windows 11 and you could just simply install. But guys, in some cases like me over here, so guys, from here you could just simply select check hardware requirements. Now from here you should be able to see the requirements for the Windows 11, and once you have met everything, you will just simply select get Windows 11 on the bottom right over here. And after that, it will redirect you to this site, and you can just simply select check for compatibility and select open settings. And when the update is available, it will have a download and install button. Now guys, if it's unsupported in your Windows, you can just simply go back to the website, and now from here just simply scroll down to the very bottom, and you will have here download the PC health check app. So just simply select this one and just simply download the application over here. And now of course you will just simply save it in a certain location, and you will just simply go to the folder and open it up. And now just simply download it. And now guys, once it is installed, you can just simply go ahead and select check now over here. And from here guys, as you can see, my PC meets the Windows 11 requirements. But if it doesn't guys, you could just simply go ahead and fix it over here, and Windows will give you a link on how to resolve each error. So guys, right before I made this video, I have TPM 2.0 disabled. So from there, I just click a link and it redirects me to this website showing me how to enable the TPM, and just simply follow these steps over here in order for you to enable it. And after that, once you have meet all of the requirements, you could just simply click more about Windows 11, and it will redirect you right over here and check for upgrade now and open the settings, and should be able to download and install it.